Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review of the Razer Time True 7.1 surround gaming headset. So firstly, I want to talk about comfort. When you first put this headset on, the first thing that you notice is that these headsets are extremely comfortable. As you can see, these are the individual pads that add to the overall comfort level, and also these ear cups are replaceable and they are very well padded, and the overall comfort level of this headset is just exceptional. Also with the headset they provide you these ear cup covers. So what you'll be able to do with this is you need to snap them right on to one of the ear cup and they stay firmly, they doesn't fall off. But I personally don't like it this way, but some people might find it interesting. Once you take them off, you'll be able to show off the individual drivers on the side of the ear cup. And talking about the individual drivers, it has 5 individual drivers on each side of the ear cup. That is a total of 10 drivers. One in the center, one rear surround, one subwoofer, one side surround, one front left. That is a total of 10 drivers, and that is how you will be able to achieve the true 7.1 surround sound. And also with the headset they provide you this control unit which pretty much controls every aspect of the sound. You can kind of fine tune every aspect of the sound to your liking. Here we've got this dedicated button in order to toggle between the 7.1 surround and also the 2.0 surround, if you want to listen to music or if you want to game, so that you'll be able to switch between them. So this control unit provides you a lot of control. And also these are the cables. Actually these cables are color coded. I don't know whether you could actually see them in the video, but the reason why they're color coded is in order to differentiate one among the other. And also we've got the standard USB 2.0 cable. And I do recommend taking a good look at the manual when you are trying to set this headset up with your sound system, because there's a lot of information that is being provided in the master guide that comes in the package. And talking about the sound, you need to have a dedicated sound card in order to experience the true 7.1 surround sound. These are some of the recommended sound cards by Razer. I'll leave a link in the description to this page, and just in case if you have one of these sound cards, this headset does deliver the true 7.1 surround sound. I mean, I've been using this headset for quite some time now, and this headset does deliver the true 7.1 surround sound. And overall I'm really happy with this headset. These are arguably one of the most comfortable gaming headset out on the market, and especially for the price of $180, this headset can deliver what it takes to be a great gamer. I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you do so, please make sure to hit the like button and also do subscribe to the channel for more videos. And thanks a lot for watching.